One of the simplest, quickest, and most accurate ways to create a perfectly straight line is with nylon string, which is often sold as mason's line because brick masons use it to get nice straight brick walls. And if you get one on a spool like this, it makes it really easy to get the line off. But how do you get it back on? You have to wind it by hand, and that can lead to tangles. Here's a much better solution. Take a screw and drive it through the end of the plastic housing that the spool's on, and then chuck it into a drill. There you go, just like that. And now you can use the power of the drill to put the line back on the spool. How cool is that? Now I only had like 60 feet of line. This spool holds 225 feet. So imagine if you had 200 feet of line out, how long this would take you to do it by hand. But with the drill, it just takes a few seconds, just like that. But again, the most important part is winding it by hand. You often overload one side or the other of the spool. It falls off, it gets tangled. Then you got a mess, you have to cut it away. But this way, it gets back on the spool neatly every time.